which I am going to take up for discussion. Now let us say, now look at the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard and see the structure. Look at the whiteboard. This is, if just I have drawn a structure, drawn the structure of an operand. This is the regulator. This is the regulator region. I have just said that regulator is not a part of the operand. I have, this is the operand. This is the operand. Operand, 1 minute. Hello. So look at, this is the, this structure. This is the structure showing the regulator region, promoter region, operator region, a structural gene 1, a structural gene 2, a structural gene 3. This is the regulator. Regulator is not a part of operand. Regulator operand का part नहीं होता है. ठीक है, regulator क्या है? Regulator is not a part of operand. This is the promoter region. This is the operator region, and these are the 3 structural genes. And this arrow shows the transcription initiation site, which is also known as a 0 site or a start site. These are the 3 structural genes, SG1, SG2, SG3. This is the termination site. This arrow shows the termination site, and or the, you can say, or you can stop signal for this termination site. Look, the promoter, the operand includes the promoter, operator, structural genes. And thus I have shown here the transcriptional unit. Transcriptional unit include the initiation site, structural gene, and termination site. So this is the TU. TU stands for transcriptional unit, the operand, and this is regulator. Regulator is not a part of operand. Regulator, what is the role of regulator in the gene expression? Regulator is also a part of the DNA, which is present very close to the promoter region, but it is not a part of the operand. This regulator region, regulator gene acts as a molecular switch, on-off switch, as this regulator gene acts as on-off switch. Without regulation, the gene expression, this regulator, this is the control unit. This regulator acts as a control unit. This regulator region includes a particular protein, and that protein is known as the repressor protein. What is the function of regulator? The function of regulator region is to produce the repressor protein. What is this? Regulator gene produce the repressor. This regulator gene produce the repressor protein. What is the promoter region? What is the function of promoter region? Promoter region is the site, RNA polymerase binding site. You know that transcription require the process of transcription is catalyzed by the RNA polymerase, and this RNA polymerase binds at this promoter region. Okay, so this is the RNA polymerase binding site, promoter region. What is operator region? This is the operator region. Operator region is the site of binding of the is the site where the repressor protein binds, and the repressor protein encoded by this regulator gene binds at the operator region. Okay, so this operator region is the site for the operator is the repressor binding site. Promoter is the RNA polymerase binding site. Regulator region is meant for the production of the synthesis of repressor protein. Structural genes are known as cistron, which are transcribed to produce the protein. TU, transcriptional unit, and the operand, part of the DNA consisting of the promoter, operator, and structural genes. So these are the structures. So just this is the regulator. Regulator को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? ऑन ऑफ स्विच कहते हैं. ऑन, जैसे तुम ऑन, जिस तरह से इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच देखे हो ऑन ऑफ स्विच, उसी तरह से ये रेगुलेटर जीन जो है वो क्या करता है? मॉलिक्यूलर स्विच की तरह काम करता है. ये ऑन ऑफ स्विच, दिस रेगुलेटर जीन इनकोड्स द प्रोटीन. दैट प्रोटीन इज नोन एज द repressor protein, and that repressor protein may be active or may be inactive, and the protein, this repressor protein encoded by this regulator, has its binding site located on the operator region. ठीक है, when the repressor protein binds at the operator region, when the repressor protein binds at the operator region, further the transcription of the structural gene does not take place. So this operator region should remain free. When this operator region remains free, RNA polymerase enzyme binds at the promoter and transcription start from this site, transcription initiation site. ठीक है, so this regulator is meant for, this regulator gene is, this regulator which is not a part of the operand, but it plays a very important role. It acts as the control unit, and this regulator gene encodes a protein. That protein is known as the repressor protein, and this repressor protein binds at the operator site and blocks the transcription of the structural genes. And this promoter region is meant for binding with the RNA polymerase, which is the key enzyme for the initiation of transcription. So this is the promoter region, operator region, regulator region, and structural genes. I have already discussed the operand. I have already made you know the transcriptional unit. These are the structure. These are the terminology which you should know to study the like operand. In the next lecture, we will start the like operand.